Today, I'm unboxing and assembling this Vego elevated garden bed greenhouse cover system. If you want protection from bad weather, pests, or just the security of knowing that your plants are safe, this is the system for you. We're going to unbox it, assemble it, and install it onto this bed. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you love gardening, growing your own food, and building a productive backyard garden, you've arrived at the right place. Today, we're putting together this Vego 2x8 elevated raised bed and adding the frost protection system. I'll walk you through the entire process step by step. So out of the box, here are all our parts that we need to assemble this. And we have our directions. They look pretty straightforward, so we're going to go ahead and start assembling. So the first thing we are going to install are the corner pieces. So we're going to loosen our cap here. So we have our side pieces in place, and we have our middle pieces in place, and we have the tops. Now we're going to go ahead and finish putting in our railing in the middle and on top, and then we'll be finished. We're going to do that via time lapse. And just like that, we have the frame assembled and on the bed. Now all we have to do is put the frost covering on. But it looks nice, has a nice sleek design, and it's very secure. So I want to thank you for coming along with me while we installed my frost cover on this bed. I'm really excited to have it, and I'm glad that I was able to get it from Vego. If you guys are interested in anything from Vego or any products that I use, you can head over to my website. It's up and running again, and I'll leave the link for that in the description portion of the video as well as the comment section. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, take a moment to consider doing so. I grow a lot of food by myself, and if you are interested in growing healthy food, knowing where your food comes from, and learning how to be self-sufficient, this is the place for you. So until next time, always remember to give the thanks to God, for without Him, we are nothing. Stay blessed, stay strong, and grow, grow, grow.